How can you trade options if you have a full-time job? You're busy, you've got work, family, maybe a dog that somehow needs more attention than your boss. But what if I told you there's a way to trade options without staring at your screen all day? I've created the easiest option trading strategy for busy professionals like you. And by the end of this video, you'll have a simple system that you can execute in minutes per day and still grow your portfolio over time. Let's get into it. Here's the thing. Most people think that trading requires you to be glued to your screens and your charts 24/7, but that's just not realistic, especially if you have a full-time job. Think about this for a second. When is your energy the highest? In the morning? After your first coffee of the day? When is it depleted? Maybe right after work when you get home and your partner's giving you that come spend time with me look? So the question becomes, how do you fit options trading into your already packed schedule? Since your job pays the bills and gives you the money kind of to trade with, quitting isn't the option just yet. The goal is to use options trading to eventually break free, but first you need a system that works around your 9 to 5. So the first thing you need to understand is that you have to use the right charts for your trading. You need to forget about the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 1 hour type charts. They're just too quick and you have to be too glued to your screen. You don't have time for that. It's better to stick to a 1 day or even a 4 hour candlestick chart to find your setups for longer term trades. You're also probably going to want to trade on a higher time frame. No scalping here, right? We want to plan our trades out and hold them for a few days to a few weeks in time. Next, you're going to want to have a simple, repeatable system that is not overly complicated because the easier it is, the more consistent you're going to be with your trading. Myself personally, I like to use my phone and sell put options on companies that I'd love to own long term. And you're also going to want to set up your trading platform the right way. I personally use Interactive Brokers for my trading, and I've got a great full-length tutorial showing you how to set it up from start to finish. You can watch it right there. Once upon a time, you were stuck at a job watching the stock market move, but never having the time to actually make a trade. You wanted to grow your wealth, but felt trapped in the daily grind of your job. Every day you'd go and check your phone at lunch, seeing missed opportunities, and wonder how people actually made money trading while working full time. It seemed impossible. Then one day, you discovered a strategy that worked within your work schedule and you learned how to trade efficiently using longer time frames in a structured system. Because of that, you stopped stressing over minute to minute movements in the market and started making trades in just minutes per day. You gained confidence and started seeing some consistent gains over time until finally you built up that portfolio and it allowed you to dream bigger, whether that's leaving your job, supplementing your income, or just having more financial security long term. Now you're not just working for money, you're making your money work for you. That is the dream scenario, right? But let's be real. No one got rich investing on just $100. The goal is to build wealth over time, and every winning trade is like a deposit in your future bank account. Trust your process. You're not just making money for today, you're building skills and profit that can eventually replace your full time income in the future. And one last tip for you before you trade real money, practice first. Open a paper trading account, test your system, test your strategy, and make sure that you're confident in it before you go live and put your real money at risk. If you want to set up a paper trading account with Interactive Brokers, here's how you do it right there. I've been trading options while working full time for the past 2 years, and I've refined it into something repeatable. It's all about making winning trades with the odds that are in your favor and minimizing the time that you have to do it in, so that eventually you can do it while working and eventually leave the working world behind. That's exactly why I created my mobile money formula course, where students learn step by step how to set up this system and start trading with confidence. Enrollment is currently open for March 1st and March 2nd, and you can check out all the details linked in the description. So if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, effective options trading tips. And don't forget to check out my Interactive Brokers full-length tutorial, how to set everything up start to finish. You can check it out right here and hopefully get started with your trading today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.